Everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. So you're looking to save money and don't know how? Why not create a paper mache piggy bank? Now this paper mache newspaper piggy bank will teach your children how to save money. You can also make a balloon money box, which I will give you a little bit of an example on how to use a balloon to make this piggy bank. Now this money box can be made out of paper mache newspaper, paper mache toilet paper, even paper mache cardboard. It is completely up to you, and it is a really easy DIY project. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. So guys, my daughter wants me to make her a piggy bank, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a piggy bank, because a piggy bank is a little bit different because you want it actually closed, whereas the other ones always have an opening. So it's going to be a two-part, meaning we're going to do this portion here, we're going to dry it, we're going to also mark our hole from now, and then after we're done we're going to flip it over once it's completely dried, and then we're going to put the bottom. Now also for the piggy bank, you want to have it thick because money is going to go in there and you don't want them to pick it up and essentially drop and it break. You want them to be able to take the time and break it. I would suggest that you use a smaller piggy bank because you don't want too much money in there. I'm going to do the piggy bank about this thick all the way around, so we're going to measure roll it out. The other thing is, because you're doing it on the sides, you want to make sure that it's firm, so put a lot of flour in it. Then the other thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the piggy bank has a saran wrap, it's sticking, and you want to make sure that it's going to be sitting on something, not on the table, because remember you're going to be moving your stuff around. Okay, so for this one we're going to change the color and we're going to use the acrylic paint and we're going to color it blue. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to add some glitter.
Which is my favorite thing, guys.
So what I did, guys, was I measured out my 4 pieces that I need for the side, and now I'm just going to put them on and then seal them together. Comment down below if you think this would be an easy way to teach your children how to save money. To do the bottom portion of the piggy bank, I'm going to put saran wrap of my glass, and that is just so that when it dries it's not sticking to the glass, and when you lift it up pieces of your paper mache stay. This was left overnight and I just wanted to show you the bottom part is not dried yet. I would be tempted to put it up like this and let it dry because it will dry quicker, but you want it flat. So try and make sure that you dry it so that it's like that. If you have a baking tin that has the holes in it, like a pizza tin, you can put it on there to allow the air to flow. However, keeping it on something that is glass will allow this to still dry and dry where it's flat and it's not going to go wrinkle, because you want that pressure. You want the piggy bank to stay flat, okay? Now that you know how to make the paper mache piggy bank, save your money easy, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you get your creative juices out of your head and onto a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, I do have that Facebook page where you're able to upload different DIY, fashion, and craft contents. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on paper mache lamp, so let your light shine, and paper mache pumpkin DIY fall goodies. And then my upcoming video on paper mache cup succulent holder. If you like these videos, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your family and friends.